Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Altima transmission. First, gather all necessary tools and safety gear, including a transmission jack and proper personal protective equipment. Safely lift your Altima onto sturdy jack stands, ensuring it's stable. Then, carefully drain the old transmission fluid into a suitable container. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process, setting the stage for the work ahead. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety, then remove the air intake system to gain better access. Carefully detach all electrical connectors and the shift linkage from the transmission housing. You'll also need to remove the drive axles from both sides and unbolt the starter motor. Taking your time with each connection ensures no damage occurs and makes the reinstallation much simpler later on. With everything disconnected, it's time to support the engine using an engine brace or a specialized jack to prevent it from dropping. Then, systematically unbolt the transmission bell housing from the engine block, ensuring all bolts are accounted for. Using a transmission jack, carefully lower the old transmission from the vehicle. This step requires patience and precision to avoid injury or damage to other components. Finally, mount the new or rebuilt transmission onto your transmission jack. Carefully raise and align it with the engine block, ensuring the bell housing bolts are properly torqued. Reconnect all components in reverse order, including drive axles, electrical connectors, and the shift linkage. Once everything is secure, refill the transmission with the manufacturer-specified fluid, checking the level accurately. A test drive will confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.